Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I am just letting you guys know I am taking a little break from my normally scheduling agenda. So you will not see me on Tuesdays and Saturdays for a month. Yeah, we'll start with a month. Need a little break, need to see where I'm going to go, see if my what I want to do with my channel. So yeah, I've been at a loss of what I want to post every Tuesday and Saturday since I've been trying to recoup my nails, and they're still, they're still not where they should be. My thumbs still need some growing out. I do have Color Street on them right now, but I'm fine with these. But my skin's like been cracking lately, so I don't know what I picked at it. So I picked at my skin, but there's other nails I didn't pick at, and it's like cracking in there, so I don't know what's going on. So anyway, my thumbs are still not happy. This thumb keeps peeling. I don't know. So I don't know. So I cut them back. That's why there's like super short. Ta-da! So I cut them back a couple weeks ago just to get all the dead lifting off. So it still has a ways to go. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to do in the process. Still, throw in some, nail videos on decorating press-on nails and stuff, but not all. I've been getting kind of bored of that. I don't want to keep doing that every Tuesday and Saturday, and I'm sure you guys don't want to see that every Tuesday and Saturday. So I'm just gonna take a month off, see where I want to go. I think I might add some makeup videos to my channel. I have lots of makeup. I love everything beauty, so I'm a hairstylist, and I don't do makeup. I do hair. I'm good at that. But I love doing makeup on myself. So if I add some of those in there, and some press-on videos while I try to see if my nails will go back, so I can do some stuff with my hands again. That'd be nice. Anyway, so yeah, I've been been getting kind of frustrated on figuring out what to do every Tuesday and Saturday for content here on my YouTube channel. That gets kind of frustrating. It does. So I'm going to take a month off and see where I can take my next step in my YouTube journey. So I'm not going away permanently, just taking a break. So I will see you guys again next month. So I'll definitely post something in October, probably towards the end of October, towards Halloween. So look for that. So that's it. Just nothing else, just normal work stuff. Love my job. So yeah, work's going great. Color Street's fun, which is what I want it to be. Getting a little busier with Color Street, which is good. Some outside activities. So that's fun. So, and of course family. My daughter off in college now. There you go. You got the gist of my personal life. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to pop on and let you know what I'm up to and why you aren't seeing me for the next month. So I'll see you right before Halloween. Have a good fall. I'm in the Sacramento area, and it's been hotter than Hades out there, man. God, it's hot. Ugh. So yeah, I'm like melting over here, and we got like record heat this week. Not been fun. So yeah, hopefully it'll cool down by the time I see you all next. So who knows what kind of video I'm going to have in October, but something will be up. Just taking a little break. So I'll see you next time. Give me comments below of what you'd like to see on the channel. I would love to hear your ideas. Give me ideas, please. And that's it. I will, see you all in a month or so. And take care. Don't forget to like this video. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell, so you'll be notified when I hit my next, upload my next video. So you'll be aware. You'll see it first. Yes. That's it. I will see you next time. Take care, and toodaloo.